What's going on, guys? So today we have a 7th generation 120 gigabyte iPod Classic, and they said that the battery doesn't last. They plug it in and they unplug it and it dies right away. Told them I wasn't sure if it was battery or motherboard related, but judging from the blemish on the screen right there, that is a swollen battery. So I'm gonna bet my money, I'm gonna bet my money on the battery. So let's swap that out. But before we open the iPod, we always want to check and make sure everything else is in working order, just to cover our butt. Because you don't want to put yourself in a situation where you open the iPod and then you put it back together and something isn't working and you have to go through that. Well, did it come that way, or did I break something? You don't want to ever put yourself in that situation. Ask me how I know. All right, let's see what we got. Let's plug her into power. Really good right there. And if you don't do anything about this, like even if your battery still does hold a charge a little bit, the more this swells, it's going to put pressure on your LCD screen, and it will damage it eventually, or it will make it more susceptible to damage in the event that you drop it, or not even dropping it. I mean, just bouncing around in your pocket. So, alrighty. Okay, I think both headphones are good. Got the clicks in my ears. Alanis Morissette. Oh, man. You ought to know. You ought to know, Dave Coulier. Play pause is good. Next is good. Previous is good. Menu is good. Hold switch is good. And she's still holding charge, but she'll die in a second. Kind of want to watch Full House now. Not going to lie. Anyways, let's open this iPod up and let's get the battery replaced. Where, oh where? There we go. Alrighty. Need to find a place. This iPod is tight. There's a little space right here. There we go. And just get in there. Release the clips. I just like to kind of roll it down a little bit. Sometimes you have to do a little outward pressure. But, do your best not to pry outwards. A lot of people on here are like, oh my God, you're prying outwards. The case isn't getting bent. The case isn't getting jacked up. Just shut your fucking mouth. Yeah. I said it. All right. Let's see if we can get on the top. There we go. Man, that battery is tight. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let's just clip right there. And right here. And again at the top. Oof. Out of my hand there. Oh, and the hard drive is suctioned to the back of the case. Oh, not anymore. There we go. It released. There we go. All right. Ugh. It's been a while since I had one that was super pain in the butt like that. All right. Wow, I didn't do my spiel. If you've seen my videos before, you know exactly what I'm going to say next. You want to resist the temptation to open this like a book. Because what you have running here is the battery cable. And if you just open this thing like the book, you can actually tear your battery connector off the motherboard. Ask me how I know. And ask the 5 to 10 people a week that email me saying they did the exact same thing. Take your spudger, hold down on the battery connector. Pull the cable. Oh yeah. That is a spicy pillow. The spicy meatball. Sorry. A little weird. All right, so let's take this out. Going to remove the headphone jack cable. So you just lift up on that little latch guy there. Pull that out. And what I usually like to do right now is I like to throw these on the bed of my 3D printer to loosen up the adhesive, but I'm feeling lazy, and we're just going to muscle it. Actually, this one might not even be that bad. So when you get into this, you want to be very careful when you're going up, because the hold switch cable runs under the battery, and a lot of the times it gets stuck to the adhesive on the underside of the battery. So if you just ram this thing home, you can actually tear that hold switch cable. Again, ask me how I know. So you want to just take your spudger and just work your way across the bottom there, loosening the cable. And there we go. And look at that. That is a fatty. Ugh, you can smell it too. Shit. Just got a batch of new batteries in, courtesy of Elite Obsolete Electronics. Thanks, guys. Fast shipping. Appreciate it very much. Okay. Now let's get our new battery. Balls, that one stinks. Alright. Straighten this cable out. And the next thing we need to do is raise this battery connector up. Hold the white part of the battery connector. Hold the white part of your battery connector down with your spudger, and take a paperclip tool. Run it along the back side there. There you go. Now we're just going to flip this here battery over. We're going to reseat that cable. There you go. Flip this guy shut. Hit the close. Flip that shut. And we're just going to wait for this thing to load. Test it. Let the battery charge up a little bit just to make sure everything is working good. Close it up. Test it one more time. And then we'll call it a day. There we go. Okay, so we got half battery. So I am going to put this thing on the charger. And we are going to just let it charge up for a little bit, see what happens. Make sure everything's working properly, and I'll see you in just a sec. All right, it's been maybe like an hour. Let's see where we're at. Not all the way full, but just looking for progress, in which we are at full on the indicator. So let's test it one more time before we close it up. Alrighty. Yep, both earphones still work, button's still good. Hold switch, yes. Alright. Some type of padding down there. And I'm going to put a little music on while I'm putting this back together. That way I know right away that everything is good. We'll go back to our girl Alanis again, why not? Alright, let's close, or not close, but let's bend this back because, you know, hey, shit happens, right? Okay, and close her up. Alright, and song is still going. I think we are good there. There we go. Alright, everything is still good. So, there you go, guys. Another one done. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys need a repair, email is in the description below. I'll catch you guys later.